Guys, here we have another assortment off in the state. Here's a jack that works. Jack does not have these two little wheels on there. We don't have the jack handle. Here's a little crowbar. Here's a new, it's never been used, you know what that is. Here's a Dexter oil cap O-ring for your trailers. Here is some tie downs, trailer hitch. This is a new, I think, this is to run more than one LP tank at a time. Here's a trailer ball light. Here's some, I think this is for fiberglass right here, Resin. These are tightened down things, foot joints. And then here's a little shelf, 4 shelves, 4-drawer shelf, and here is a post driver. And here is another driver. You can drive this down. It's never been used, don't look like it. We'll video it all. You get all that for one money.